Monday. Welcome to Cooking with the Black Slide. We are the Blacks. I'm Chef Blythe, and this is my healed husband, Chef Nathan. We are going Raging Cajun style. We are doing a Cajun turkey bake. What is that you say? Oh, yes. This is a great way to fill your family full of loads of vegetables. You don't even know it's good for them, and it's delicious. Because you know how I know? Because this is how I get Nathan to eat vegetables. Now that he is up on his feet, he is going to be sous chefing today. So I need diced onion, diced jalapeno, and diced red bell pepper. Okay, so here's the thing about Cajun cuisine, right? It comes from Louisiana. They are our neighbors. We love Cajun food. Our favorite thing in the whole wide world, to anyone that knows us, is crawfish. You can do like a medium to large dice on that. We love crawfish. We eat it all the time, but we also love the flavors of sort of that Cajun way. In classic cuisine, you always have mirepoix, right? Which is onions, carrots, and celery. But when you're doing Cajun food, you have to do the Holy Trinity, which is onions, celery, and peppers. I don't like cooked celery, so I booted them out. But we're going to use onions and peppers to sort of get that Cajun flavor going on. And while Nathan's working on that, I'm cheating a little bit. So I'm using my bacon fat from breakfast this morning, and I'm going to start to get that warmed up because that is going to make our vegetables taste amazing. Okay, you got that bacon for me, or you got that onion for me? Yes. So I don't know. I don't care about telling our secrets. I do love to leave a pan with it's not a ton of bacon fat. It's from this morning's breakfast, so I'm like, let's just use that. It adds flavor. You've already got it in the pan. And just one less that you have to clean, right? Hello, bacon fat, everything is better. Okay, so we're just gonna get our large diced white onions. You can also use yellow onions. You know you can use red, but we always talk about we don't like to cook with those. So because you can turn things pink. And again, you know, we're all about loving pink things, but maybe not pink turkey bake.
That'd be cool though.
It would be odd. I think people would be confused. Are you so excited to be back on your feet?
I am.
Nathan does not love having to lay down in this big spot. Nathan is not a real good rester. He is not good at just relaxing, and he's not good without a project. So crutches came off. Well, I guess he kind of got down some yesterday, and he tried to do some hard work, and then he came back in. But today they're on. Okay. Oh my gosh, onions and bacon fat already in it. Does that smell so good? Now again, this is a great way to add all the vegetables you want. You can put squash in there, zucchini in there. We're gonna put the peppers. You can throw all the cooked celery you want in there. I just can't say cooked celery. Of course, it's not. Okay, you want to hit me with the red bell peppers? Now, I love red bell peppers. We sort of enjoy eating like colors of the rainbow. You can absolutely use green peppers. They tend to be a little cheaper, but I just love a good red bell pepper. Oh my gosh. It does smell so good. Are you feeling Cajun yet? No, we don't want a whole lot of caramelization. We're not going for a caramelized onion flavor. We're sort of going for that rustic pepper onion flavor. All right, I'll take the jalapeno. Pepper down. Hey, can you get the salt and pepper, man? And the turkey. Please about it. Okay, so we've got our peppers. We've got our onions. Jalapeno or spice. You see what's made us. Nathan did not have the seeds in them. We're going to season our vegetables, right? We season at every level with what kind of salt? Kosher. Right, you want to put the turkey in here? Yes. So we're using a ground turkey. Now, you can use ground beef for sure. Use ground pork is how I usually make it. You can use ground chicken. I just thought the turkey is a little lighter. It's less greasy. Remember when you do that, which is why I use the bacon fat. But remember, if you're using a less fatty meat, you need to add some liquid. Okay, we're going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, because I'm going to do something that I never, ever do. I am using a pre-made seasoning. The reason I do this is because it's already done for you, right? You don't have to figure out how much cayenne, how much cumin, how much ground pepper. It's You have to be careful because this acts like a salt, so you can tend to over season it. But it's just easy, and sometimes, especially on a Wednesday night, it's easy. I'm not judging you. It's not like the garlic is already chopped. That's different.
That's fine. I love seasoning.
He does, and I don't ever use. You want to season?
I use it on tater tots.
He loves it on tater tots. He makes homemade. He makes homemade French fries. He does a lot of. We did roast potatoes with these the other night, but it's quick. It's easy. There's no guessing. And just though there's salt in there, so you want to season a little bit of salt, but you want to make sure you don't over season because it's a little salty on you. Okay, we got turkey. Now I did sausage the other night.
Yeah.
But it's not a huge pork eater. But with that spicy sausage, I thought it was delicious. I think you can do if you get like the pasta or your hot dogs. Yeah. That would be because you love a good chicken fry. He also loves Nathan's hot dogs. So. Okay. We got our turkey brown here. Now we're not quite done with the seasoning. This again is to make it your own. But I love Worcestershire sauce. I think it makes everything better. And so I'm going to put a little bit of Worcestershire. It just gives everything like a little layer of flavor and it adds a little bit of
I use it with my marinade.
He does. He does do that. Oh my god. Love it. Sizzle. Love it. All right, you are the tobacco master. So, yes. I'm a wean dog and you're not. I'm a wean dog. I'm a wean dog.
It's not that.
Yes, it's like, oh my gosh, Tabasco facial. I'm scared.
It wasn't that.
Yes, it was. I died. Okay, wean dog spice.
That's the one.
Oh my gosh. No, y'all, I'm crying. No. Just the basket.
Cry. Joy. This looks so good.
Tears of joy. Okay, we've got our turkey brown, we've got our vegetable dog, we've got a little Worcestershire, a whole lot of Tabasco. One is to play to make me cry on TV right now. Love it. We'll hear it. I'm looking at the turkey. I was checking it. It was going to be a little dry, but adding that bacon that we already used for their meal, it's going to add that flavor, a little bit of fat. If for some reason you get it and it gets high on you, add a little bit of stock or stock. Really a lot. Flavor component. Okay. Once we've got it all cooked together, it's fast. It's easy, right? This is simple over bread, over roasted potatoes, which is what I do. You could literally roast potatoes over delicious. You can eat potato pie or fries. Hello. Okay, I've got everything brown, everything cooked. Here we go. My cheese. Okay, go ahead and pour that out. Now, if you want to take the time to do the stove, you can add your cheese and then put it in the oven. They'll take about 5-10 minutes. But like I said, super easy. You use beef to drain a little bit and get a little bit. I got everything. Our cheese on perfectly. Great job. Good job, cheese. I'm sorry, feeling a little better. I don't like not down. Or when you're down, you're not feeling. No, you try. Like lay. No. Then at night, I'm like, I have no. No. Okay, cheese, cook, sauce, here to go. Okay, you like an omelet. Where I can see the cheese. Yes. Oh, you're so good. Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. Pot for you. Flavor, affordable, and it's something to make your own. You go to the anyway, and I season the launch time. It came to Worcester seasoning a lot ago. You can leave the cheese. That was Colby Jack, but we aged cheddar. It is a high protein meal. Lots of things that you can put anything. Would work. You name it. Okay, are you ready to taste? You did a good job. Thank you. I'm up close. Oh, ooh, ah, Cajun bacon. Okay, we'll bake it. Okay. Oh my God.
Cajun
Skillet. Butter. Right. Good call.
Cheers.
Cheers. I love you. Oh.
Buffalo.
Ignore that. Nathan. Woo! That spice. But do you like turkey or
It's really good.
it makes it a little better starting? I think it's healthy. And it's I'm gonna say you too. I the pre package is the perfect. You just okay. Okay. All right. You really good if you did fried egg and all that. Oh, good. Absolutely. You try it. Perfect midday. You know, you're working tired, or fast, and you can see vegetables right now.
I didn't.
We are this time. You need a pool party, birthday party, shower, graduate. Oh, it's important. A party gives no around the corner. Us to do. You are welcome to reach us at cooking19.com. Any of our it's favorite you can make, and we want to menu. Oh my gosh, it was like how ways to get one mint mojito. I mean, we did it. I'm super excited. Just working out. Educated every course just offered. So back to you. We are to go. You just know. Thank you for all of this. Thank you for all of this. We love you. We're feeling grateful. So grateful. Back. We hope to this week Wednesday with a episode. Y'all need to and we let us know. Like I said, are you dog about? Are you happy? Like Nate? All Wednesday. Happy great week. Happy.